Good morning, everyone. I am Purkudi, Assistant Professor of JC College Arts and Science. Now we have to take up a topic Microsoft Office. What is the MS? Microsoft Office is a company or corporation in the USA. Bill Gates is the owner of the Microsoft company. What is the Microsoft Office? Is used to special purpose office work such as documentation, worksheet, and presentation and database. What are the packages available in MS Office? There are 4 packages available in MS Office, that is MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint and MS Access. But now we have to take about the first package, Microsoft Word. This is a screen about the Microsoft Word. What is a MS Word? MS Word is a word processing software package. You can use it to type letters or reports and other documents. The 4 main operations of word processing packages are defining the form of the document, entering a document from a keyboard, editing the document and printing the document. This is the components of tools of the Microsoft Word. What are the tools available in the screen? We have to see about first formatting toolbar and standard toolbar, scroll bar, status bar, drawing toolbar, view choices and cursor. When we have to use the cursor, this is the start the text, created text. Formatting toolbar is used to formatted text or formatted paragraph. For formatting text, this is increase the size and bold, italic, underline and to change the font this is the formatting character or formatting text. What does it mean about formatting paragraph? Is a left alignment and right alignment and justify, that is a center alignment. These are the paragraph alignment and also increase the line spacing and decrease intent and increase intent. These are the paragraph alignments. What is the standard toolbar? The available in ribbon tab. Scroll bar, it is used to vertical toolbar and is a horizontal toolbar. Vertical toolbar used the scroll up and scroll down, and horizontal toolbar used the left and right scroll. Drawing toolbar used to draw the tables and shape and word art and text color. These are the methods available in drawing toolbar. View choices, this is 5 view choices available in Microsoft Word. This is web layout and print layout, normal view. These are the views available in the Microsoft Word. And status bar will be indicate the how many letters are present in Word, what are the pages, how many pages available in MS Word. These are the status bar include. And then ribbon tab. The ribbon tab that displays the various commands and features of all tabs. This is the file, home, insert, page layout, preference, mailings, review and view. These are the menus available in the ribbon tab. And then this is the Calibri body. This is a font theme, and the 11 is indicate the font size. That is the big A that represent the uppercase. Decrease the size and small decrease the size, and bold, italic, underline. There is a formatting text, bold, italic, underline and stack word, subscript and superscript. Does the formatting text. And then this is the alignment indicator. This is bullets and numbering. The 1, 2, 3 represent the bullets and representing decrease in and right in. A2 is increase the ascending or descending order. This is a box indicate the fill the color. This is a border indicating this. The file, under the file, cut, copy, paste, clipboard. These are the menus. These are the commands available in the ribbon tab. And then features of Microsoft Word: creating document, editing document, graphics and word art and printing document. These are the features available in the Microsoft Word. And proofing Word document: spelling checker, grammar checker, thesaurus, autocorrect. These are the proofing. These are the methods available in the proofing Word document. And then formatting Word document. What does the meaning of the formatting? Format means to change, to align. What the process to change the appearance of a document is called the document formatting. You can format a single character or word, a lines and paragraph or a whole document. Document is formatted to make it is a more attractive and beautiful. The commands used to format the documents are selected from the home tab. And then how we can create a tables. Microsoft Word provides a tool called table. It is used to organize an information of rows and columns. A table is made up of series of rows and columns. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. Under package we have Microsoft Excel. This is a screen about MS Excel. This is a components available in the MS Excel: name bar, office button, quick access toolbar, title bar, work area, column letters and formula bar, tab list, ribbon and page view buttons, page zoom control, status bar, row numbers and sheet type, scroll buttons, active cell. But which means active cell? When we write the particular text or formula in the cell, that cell is active cell. Name bars indicate the cell name. Office button is the start button. Quick access toolbar, the customize all the commands. Title bar, we have to save the particular name in the sheet. This is called title bar. Work area, when we work this particular sheet, that area is called work area. Column letters, that is horizontal. That is the row names is the row name, row numbers. The column indicates some alphabet letters. Formula bar is it used to type the formula in formula. Tab list use the how to contain many menus. Ribbon tab, these are all the commands available in a particular tab that called as ribbon tab. And then page view buttons, these are the there are 4 views, that is a print view and a read view and full view. These are the views available in the page view buttons. Zoom control increase the size of the page and decrease the size of the page. And row numbers indicate the columns. Row number indicates the number. Sheet tab scroll buttons, that is to move the one sheet to an access sheet, it will be used to sheet tab scroll buttons. And then we have to move a ribbon. It displays various commands. What are the commands available in this Excel ribbon tab? File, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data and review. These are the alignment text. And the home, insert, we have to insert the pictures or background. Page layout to align the page. Formulas, we have to insert the particular formulas. And data to be used to convert the pie chart, various chart, pie chart, line chart. These are that will be used to data. And review, we have to view the sheet that will be used to review menu. And then MS Excel. Excel is a Microsoft application that is mainly used for calculation and mathematical works. It is a spreadsheet application in which we can add sheet as per our requirements. In a single sheet, it consists of rows and columns and cells, where every cell has different address, and the sum, product, subtraction, division and many mathematical logical functions are available within it. And other features include tables, chart, clip and more. It is basically used for payroll, accounts, mathematicals and for the other business purposes. These are the features and applications available in the MS Excel. And then features of MS Excel. First one, hyperlink. We can link one file to another file page. Next one, clip art. We can add images and also audio and video clips. Third one, chart. Chart, we can clearly show the product evaluation by a client. For example, you can display a chart showing which product is issued, selling more and less by month, week and so forth. Third one, tables. Tables are created with different fields. For example, name, age, address, roll number and so forth. You can add a table to fill these values. And then functions. These are the both mathematical functions: add, subtract, divide, multiply and logical ones. Fifth one, images and background. You can add, incorporate images and backgrounds into each sheet. And then macros. Macros are used for recording events for future use. And then database. Database, with the data features, you can add any database from other source to it. Sorting and filtering. We can sort and filter our data to that anything redundant or repetitive can be removed more easily. And data validations. This tool can be used to consolidate your data. And then grouping. The grouping features helps to both group and data and group is too, so that you have to subtotals and so forth. Page layout, themes and color sheets, margin size, backgrounds, breaks, print and title sheet, height, width and scaling, grid, headlines, views, bring to the front and front back alignment and many more available to layout your page. And then arithmetic calculations. And the many calculations, the formula used to Excel sheet is mainly division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, other than if and count and max and minimums. That is more than engineering, all the engineering formulas are available in the Excel sheet. And then graph and chart. Every data in Excel to convert to the particular chart, which means convert to pie chart and line chart, bar chart, and also 2D area and 3D area. To all the charts, we have to convert the data to charts. And then some functions of MS Excel: average, count, pie, sum, product, max. If these are the functions available in the MS Excel. And then we have to go for the PowerPoint concept. This is a screen about the MS PowerPoint. What is a PowerPoint? Is a computer software created by the Microsoft which allows the user to create slides, which recordings, narration, translation and other features in order to present information. An example of PowerPoint is presentation software made by the Microsoft. What are the features of MS PowerPoint? Animation and auto shifts and editing presentation, spelling checking presentation, hiding and unhiding slides, running presentation, slide transition, saving presentation and printing presentation. These are the features available in the MS PowerPoint. And then we have to go for the Microsoft Access. What is a MS Access? MS Access is a tool which is used for create database and also application software. What are the features of MS Access database? Record, field, table, form, report, and primary key. Conclusion. Simply MS Word used for write documents, MS Excel used to make a spreadsheet and data convert to particular charts. There is PowerPoint for presentation to others. MS Access for database management purposes. Thank you.